everyone, Warlito Lape at Lifestyle Roots and Gardening. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm making simple salsa. Alright, let's get started. These are my fresh tomato that I harvested last year and actually vacuum sealed them and put them in a freezer. So I defrost them to make salsa. And I also have a fresh serrano pepper from the garden, but I pour them in the freezer as well. I vacuum seal it. So every time I make salsa, I already have things that I don't have to buy. These are the 4 cups of tomato. We're adding onion, 1/3 cup. And then cilantro, 1 cup. Add it here. A teaspoon of salt, you can always add. Serrano pepper, 1 red and 1 green, 2. We have everything in here. So 4 cups of tomato, 1 cup of cilantro, 1 lime. I put 2 serrano pepper, 1/3 cup of onion, and then half a teaspoon of sea salt. I hope we didn't miss any all the ingredients in here. Balls to chop. Fresh tomato from the garden. So what I did is I blend this for 20 seconds. So let's taste it and see if we can add more salt. The heat is perfect. You add 2 of this serrano pepper, it's perfect. Not too spicy. It's in the middle, so mild. Taste it again. So I'm adding another half a teaspoon of salt. And we're gonna blend it for another 10 seconds. Good. 24 ounce. So 1 of this and 1 of this little one. All right, I'm back. So I transfer that into these are 24 ounce jar, and I add the name in there. Gardening, Lifestyle Roots Gardening Salsa, and then the date today. This one I didn't fill up. It's like almost 8 ounce only. So this is 12 ounce basically when you fill it up, and this is 24 ounce when you fill it up. But you know, this is consumable anyway. So consumable means Maybe this lasts me for a week. For tuning in, thanks for watching. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Give a thumbs up to help my channel, and we will see you for the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.